how to change your name on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to change your name on TikTok. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you can see edit option beside your name. Just tap on it, and now just tap on name and remove your current username and put any name that you want to. Make sure that the name is unique and available, and once you're done, just hit save in the top right. And then keep in mind that you can change your name once every 7 days. So hit confirm. And that's it. Now your name has been updated on your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.